Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to master XRP on decentralized exchanges in just 2 minutes. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to connect to the network. This is crucial because you must be connected to submit transactions. No network, no transactions. Simple as that. Next, get your credentials ready. For transacting on the XRP ledger, you'll need an address, a secret key, and some XRP. Make sure you have these prepped before diving in. Now let's look up offers. Before making any moves, it's essential to see what's available. This will give you a clear picture of the market and help you make informed decisions. Once you've done your homework, it's time to send your offer and create a transaction. Double-check all details before hitting send to avoid any costly mistakes. After sending, you've got to wait for validation. This step ensures that your transaction is recorded on the ledger. It might take a bit, so be patient. Next, check the metadata. This information will confirm the specifics of your transaction, like time, date, and amount. It's a good habit to keep track of this data. Lastly, check your balances and offers. Confirm that your new balances and any remaining offers are accurate. This way, you're always on top of your assets. And there you have it. You've just mastered using XRP on decentralized exchanges. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.